قول. الله. عجبهم. يلا طبعا.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 that pulls you back somehow. When you're barely holding on.
Yo, what's up, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Going forward with today's price action. Gotta be pretty quick here because we're very late to the session. I'm sorry, guys, I was at work. I'm looking at bullish price action here towards these highs and this engineered high below this high as well. Following this 4-hour, let me lower the music a little bit. Following the 4-hour closure here, we got this inversion here. Closed above, gave us this retest, and then I want to see a continuation higher. What's potential targets here till we reach the ultimate target up there. Intraday, I'm willing to be bullish as well above this 15-minute inversion. I see these lows, which are not giving me full confidence in longs right now. This low here, short of this endo glow, not a big fan of it. And this low as well, short of midnight open and midnight first presentation. So if I want to get in longs, I would have to wait this low to get taken and this low to get taken maybe. If we potentially see some longs up there.
into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 for you. Won't you let the light shine through?
Relative equal highs up here. Once we close above this end dog, we should have no roadblocks to continue higher. We can take an entry here on the end dog and put our stop loss below this low. Target the 1-to-1 here. Yep. Okay. It pumped. Let's wait for the pullback here. We will get an entry. Okay. There we go. I'm in the trade here. Put my stops. Right. Here we go. We're in the trade here. Okay, guys. We're taking a long here of this reclaim of the new day opening gap. We're targeting a 1-to-1 here towards the relative equal highs and then generate buy side above. Yo, you can't hear me? Yo, can you hear me now? Yo, can you hear me? Guess I'm gonna get stopped here. Yep. Yeah, I took a losing trade here. Just want to take a screenshot and post it here. It was a very nice trade. Well, the price action is just so messy, but the read here was not very bad. One second, bro, I got a call. Sorry, man, I'm having a lot of trouble at work today. We're about to get HLO SMT there. I think with HLO SMT we can potentially get a nice bullish setup here. Once more. Sorry guys, one sec. Was this low here? There's no SMT yet. I think this low is a potential sell side draw, of course. It's very obvious. This low will get taken, and then potentially we can look for a long setup going forward. That's what I'm waiting for. But let's just wait here patiently. 10:20 here. I'll stop looking for a trade just because that's the end of my macro time for me. Or that's the time I stop looking for a trade at 10:20. And the draw is still lower towards the slow, so I will not be trying to take any longs here until the slow is taken. So I'm just gonna be waiting and wait patiently. That's the best thing we can do, just wait patiently at this time and wait for the market to show its hand. Most likely to be another run lower here. But that won't be my model to take because the macro is opened low. It's not trade for me here to take. There's a super clear draw. Order flow supporting the idea right now. New week opening gap. New day opening gap in Confluence here. It's a great trade for short, but we don't have the macro clears through here. There's a spooling macro. So taking a spooling macro now, very risky. Especially that it will be post 10:20. I'm not taking any entries post 10:20 at all. So it's just wise, just waiting here, waiting patiently for the market to offer its hand after we've taken that one loss. I will wait now and I'll wait for the market to show its hand. Just be patient here.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.
Just play a quick game of chess here. Stay away from the charts. Till the next macro maybe. We can get a nice short next macro. We have very nice short during 1050 macro here, guys. But I know the hard time frame is bullish. What was this opening? What? Wait. It pushed e4. Okay. And then pushed e5. Queen h5. So he had a checkmate here, and he had a checkmate here. I tried to attack his queen and defend this checkmate. I didn't see this checkmate coming. Let's check. Checkmate. It's only that. So, go this here. h4. Yeah. Well, c4. So we go c4. Perfect. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, but what? Let's try. I know he'll attack. Oh, he can take it. Okay. I lost the queen there. He knows this attack, that's why. Okay, now I know how to defend it. Now that's how you defend it. You get... Okay, very nice. Something in the bottom. Didn't see this change in state giving you a low resistance. Okay. Wait a second, ICT is actually dropping some gems here. We need to study what ICT is doing. M&Q must respect the lower half of 944 first period implementation. 944. This gap, what about this gap I still? $7.31 as well. Whoa, ICT is talking about some crazy value gaps. He said if it wants sell side, that's how he started. He said if it wants sell side, this should be unfilled. And then it went up there and closed there. So he monitored 8.31 and the RTH gap quadrants, which we have marked out here. Let me turn this off. In these lines, there's the CE, that's the upper quadrant, lower quadrant, and up here. Then we saw a closure above the low, then a closure above 8.31 and 10.07 here, leaving breakaway gaps here as well, giving you low resistance liquidity run higher. Then I looked at this as well. Let's see, why did I choose this one? I think I know. Yeah, there's a quadrant passing through it. Right in the middle there. I think that's why ICT went through that. Also, this SIB here was used as resistance on price. Once closed above here and here, it should have acted as support. Just stay breathing here. I'm not taking any positions. Here's my position thing, guys. Not in any trades, not in anything. I was playing chess to waste time, to avoid doing any mistakes. XT is dropping, live analysis is very good, man. I'll just continue playing chess here, so I don't force a trade. That's the only reason I play chess, guys, while I'm trading. I can tip read, but I would rather step away when I know potentially I can do mistakes. Do it for my time to trade. Oh my god, once more, bro. I hate this. Almost goes with. Okay, he just took my queen there. My second goes. Must move the king here. Maybe. Yeah, king must move. If I had a knight here. A knight zero would have fixed the problem. Okay, there we go. The pie side is taken. To be honest, today's session is very hard. Especially with them leaving relative equal lows here. I would have longed again here following my idea. My idea has played out very nice, which I'm proud of. But just them leaving relative equal lows here, I wasn't able to take a trade long following this idea. So, alhamdulillah, whatever happened today's session. We did great. We got engineered buy side liquidity above, guys, at 109 right here, and then you got a low resistance liquidity around here. So potentially we could see speed up towards London high, and that would be it. But these lows must be taken as well. So after we take London high, we could be looking for a reversal. Let's just wait and see. Where's the chess game? He still didn't play. This guy's taking too long to make a move. If he eats, I eat. If he eats, I eat either way. And if he doesn't, I will eat. The only move is check. And then I'll eat. Maybe he can go here. Yeah. Okay, I have to eat either ways. Okay. Let's check. Let's gain some tempo here. Push our pieces a little bit. I haven't been focusing on this game. I've had a lot of phone calls. So we're probably losing this game. But I'll try to come back here. There's still a play. Just want to make sure I don't get trapped here. Okay. Checkmate, he will move. Free pawn there. I push the queen side here. Thinking what we can do here. I can move here and then probably move there or there. I can't do this because I will do that. After I go here, I can push a pawn. Okay, let's just try it. I can get a free pawn there, maybe. We'll just keep taking bites and small bites because he has a lead. He took my queen early in the game, so he has a lead. We got 5 minutes left on the macro. Here we go. Go bishop for bishop. Like it. Need to get some protection here. His bishop is closed. I'm sorry, I lost my rook there, but his bishop is closed there because he's blocking it himself. Okay. I think that would be a great move. Now we have control here. Okay. Do we have London Hyacinth here? No. But we have swept 109. Bullish order flow is manifesting itself in price. This high is technically short-term price out as well. It's not as strong as 109 here, but this is technically a draw. So draw. Just London. Relative equal highs. I think we can make a run here. We got this low. It's very far from current price right now. We have displays already on the 15-minute as well, giving strong confirmations higher above new day opening gaps and week opening gaps. We want to see price still continue to London high. We'll be using this refined dealing range here. Why this low? Because this low here tapped into this inefficiency, which makes it an anchor point for our dealing range. So what we're gonna do is mark out this low, this high. That's your equilibrium. That's when I'll be looking for my macro Po3 high. Order flow is very bullish in the 4 hours. That's why I've been looking for longs since the morning. Since we started the stream, I've been telling you that. Look at this 4-hour inversion. Okay. That's what gave me the bullish bias for the day, to be honest. It was pretty easy and simple. I wanted to take longs early here, but it didn't work out. I wanted to take it again, but there was relative equal lows. So I wanted to clear my mind of charts with chess, so I don't force any trades, any positions. The horse here will unlock the game. I need to know how to check this, mate. Okay. Need to play this. Come on, stop running higher, man. He keeps leaving us. Just running higher without us. Okay. Go possible long there to London high. That's what I'm waiting for. We also got engineered by Southern ES there. This high is falling short of this end. It's engineered by side, so it adds up to our long idea here. I'm waiting for that. Let's not waste time here. Okay, we lost this game. I wasn't focused that game. We run London high first, and then we get an SMT. Potentially we can then get a short trade, but that will be against order flow, so we need to wait for order flow confirmations, such as 5-minute or 3-minute or 2-minute change in state of delivery. That will be our confirmation. But for now, that's what we're looking for, and we will take it right away. It's an A+ setup idea there. Nado. Let's listen to this ICT video.
Range. This thing is so consolidated when it's daily. I mean, look at that. I'm gonna be honest with you. I in my whole trading career, I've never seen the stock indices trade like this. Like this. This is, you got to go way past before even Larry Williams started trading, where you can see that kind of stuff. So.
Whoa, that was a very hard day. I think it's because ICT has mentioned that for pre-CPI we also got this small RTH gap. How many points is this? That's very tiny. 20 points? 25 points? Oh my god. I think that's the reason as well. There we go. Potential setup incoming as well. For a long, for a short. Right there. No, I don't think we'll get an SMT there. Nice, it aligns with this 5-minute basic. So it'd be nice to see an inversion on the 5-minute and the 1-minute. That will give us the entry. If we get it, I will go for a 1-to-1. That would be an easy trade. Other than that, we are good. I think this is the worst session I've traded live because I'm really tired. I really have zero energy today. It's been a very hard day at work and on trading as well, like right now. Just fasting today, so it's very hard without coffee, without food. I think I'm running out of power, that's why. Haven't eaten or drunk anything the whole day, so maybe that's what's taking my energy away. I'm very, very tired and I apologize, guys. I'm trying to show up every day. I'm trying to be consistent here. I'm not trying to miss a day. I'm also trying to show you the real life of a real trader. I'm not even faking it. Trading is hard. Some days you ask yourself if you'll be able to do it or not. Some days you doubt yourself, but you just gotta keep pushing forward through these days. Yeah. I don't know if anybody's here. I don't think anybody's here. No, thank you so much, Macro. Sorry, I just realized you're here, man. Didn't get any message from you. I don't know if you're there. Thank you, bro. Thank you for showing up, man. 100%, bro. 100%, man. I mean, we try. I try my best every day, you know. It's a tough journey, but we're going through it, man. I think if we don't get a trade this macro, I'll just turn off the stream and turn off my PC. Maybe take some rest till the food, like till iftar time, because I don't want to be forcing a trade. Since I took a loss, I don't want to feel bad and try to force a trade. That will make me enter in a tilt position. I'll not do that. I will not try and do that. I will lock my account. Also, yeah, I just want to see this macro if we can get a trade. If we can't, just be calling it a day here. There will always be another day. We're up this week. It's not a big deal. Swept London high now. Could potentially continue running higher, but since we have reached our SMR level that I've been monitoring for a potential reversal or retracement, I monitor this potential reversal or retracement. We got this 5-minute consecutive bases, also 2-minute here. $11 open high here. Lunch high is taken on ES, no reversal here. Yeah. I'm sorry, yeah, London high. Huh? Yeah, London high. Yeah, London high. Let's check the hourly chart. Is there an SMT I'm not seeing in these markets? No SMT so far here, guys. AM session. Okay. If we take this high, that would be an SMT there. Then we can take a short from there. No SMT here, no reversal trade, as well as this highs engineered buy side. It's falling short of This first presentation fair value gap 130 March 4th. We can't be taking a trade here or short, I mean, and we can't be taking a long because we're too high in premium. Yeah. So that's your dealing range if you want to trade continuations. That should be it. Power reversal trade was macro open high. 5-minute inversion there, which is 2 minutes we mentioned. Where is it? Yeah, this one. But you know what? There's actually all of them are inversions. It's tough. It's tough for reversals right now. No SMT, engineer buy side. I think a continuation trade here would make much sense. With this low, that could be a great trade. If it doesn't respect this dealing range, this is your next dealing range. Yeah, that could be a great trade there. Take it along up into here, and that's all you need for the day. In this part here. But let's wait and see. If it offers us a better opportunity, we will gladly take this. Work. Yo, what's up, bro? Good morning, man. I've taken a loss, bro. Picking up the monsters ranging and gold. So I'm out today. Well done, bro. Love that. I didn't take a look at gold, to be honest, but it has pumped like $200. That's great. But yeah, today has just been a range so far. That's terrible, bro. Well done avoiding these conditions, and should be very proud of this, man. I've taken a loss here. I tried to long NQ on this candle here, 1006, and we got stopped out. Couldn't long here because we had relatively equal lows. This low and this low, they're relatively equal, and I couldn't take a second long here. So I'm waiting for a continuation trade higher, or a reversal trade, but there's no signs of reversal for now, at least for me. If I want to take a short trade, it will be all the way down here. There we go, this dealing range is gone. I think it's going for this equilibrium if it doesn't respect this dealing range here. Thank you, brother. I'm not worried at all, man. It's all good. I've been following my system so far. All of the trades I'm taking is based on my system. I'm not breaking any rules. I'm very proud of this. And very happy to be doing this every day consistently and trying my best. You know, that's all we can do, man. Control the input. The output is on God, bro. Okay. Market is going lower now. I think we'll get a long trade here, guys. Yeah, longing today would be very nice, especially with this 4-hour price action. Look at this inversion here. Closed above this one. Respecting it as well. Pushing over. Relative equal highs up here. And these highs up here as well.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
Put relative equal highs up there. Devil's mark up there. They're respecting this 5-minute busy here. Got a discount here, fine dealing range. I really like this price action here for bullish continuations. I think this change in state of delivery here would be very strong. Or breaker there. Oh, what is this? Click this by mistake. I wasn't paying attention. This is just paper trading, by the way, guys. I'm not taking these trades live. I'll enter in this breaker there. In Q. Yeah, the charts are always different between CFDs and futures, man. But I always follow the futures only. I don't care about CFDs. Breaker here, respecting discount PD raise of this refined dealing range. Engineered by side below this first presentation. You got an SMT on the low. And we're below 11 opening as well. I think that's I think that will be a great trade here. Let's put our charts on here. I wanna try this limit order thing here. Yeah, I see it now. But can you buy market execution? No, no. Yeah, there we go. But either ways, we're going this trade here, guys. I'm taking it on my live account as well. Keep this for you here. Okay, the market is pumping. We're on longs here. Targeting our 1-to-1. And trades a little bit higher. They're missing funding pips is missing with my trades because basically they have margin limits on, and since the stop loss is much smaller than the trade we took, I have a constant lot size, so this win will be like very tiny compared to the loss. Even so, I like to risk the same on every trade, but I can't because of the conditions they put us in. So yeah, I'll try to get the most of it, but I will not try to force it as well, because this should be a break-even day ideally, and my TP will be somewhere around up there, but we should be getting out at 1-to-1. It's just because of funding pips issues there. We're going break even once we take out this high, guys. Come on, NQ. Let's break even. Okay, we're not. We should go to this high now. Once we closed above this inversion here, reclaim this busy. Should see some potential strengths there. Stop losses move to break even on both accounts. 1-to-1 is hit, but I'm just holding because of the issues with leverage. Since my draw is already even higher on hard time frame, which is this high and these highs, we can just hold up to buy side as a raise. But let's not try to force it here today. If you have a fixed leverage, just get out at 1-to-1, guys, as I told you. Because that's the highest probability trade, 1-to-1, and you're done. But I'm holding here because of my leverage issue. That's everything about it. But TP is hit already on this trade. There we go. Looks like it will stop us at break even. As always, it's a great trade. I'm very proud of myself here. Be very nice. Okay. We're still the break even on the futures short here. But my CFD position is still running somehow. Whoa. This raise indeed stopped 100%. It's very, very close to the break-even level now. Come on, NQ. Stop me out, man. I'll call it today. Nah, I can't play music as much. Well, I won't, Hana, because of the copyrights. So I have to play certain music which is copyright free, or my YouTube channel will get banned. Okay. Okay, we're still the break even here, guys. Great trade. It hit TP, by the way. I don't really care about the profit or the position size right now. Until they fix these leverage issues, I'm not paying a big attention to this week. I'm not going to tilt over it or anything. This trade hit TP, I was running it as a win. And this trade hit stop loss. So it's a break-even day overall. And I'm glad we left to trade another day tomorrow. Did great. Followed the process, trusted the system, and we got a win. Alhamdulillah. I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's stream. It's CPI. It's a very important day. I'll try to be not as exhausted as today, because today I'm very exhausted and I'm very tired. I think you can already see it. Oh yeah, guys. I just came back from work as well. Need to rest a little bit before iftar. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for showing up. See you.